If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Mad Chen and I'm a digital illustrator. I create Procreate tutorials for beginners. Today I'm going to be using one of my projects to show you how to control layer visibility in Procreate. Being able to control layer visibility is important when working with projects. Let's start off by clicking on the layers icon up here. You can see that I have multiple layers that make up my project. You can also see that I have the layers that I want toggled on, with the boxes on the right currently checked. Procreate allows you to control layer visibility by toggling individual layers on and off. A group of layers can also be toggled on and off. Now, if you just want to quickly view one layer without having to uncheck the other layers in your project, you can simply tap and hold the checked box on the layer that you want to isolate. This is called solo visibility. As an example, let's isolate this half avocado. So I'm going to tap and hold the checked box for that avocado half. Now, the good thing about solo visibility is that you're still able to toggle on other layers if needed. To turn off solo visibility, tap and hold on any currently toggled on layer. If you'd like to do a paint with me and want to know how to draw an avocado step by step, I'll leave a link to the Draw an Avocado Procreate tutorial up above and also in the description below. I'll be doing more Paint with Me Procreate tutorials in the near future, so make sure to keep an eye out for those. Thanks for watching, guys. Please support this channel by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to Mad Chen. If you have any questions, comments, or problems with Procreate, please leave comments down below because I want to be supportive and help you guys get better at using Procreate and also get better at your artwork. You can also check out my other Procreate tutorials, which I will leave links up above and also in the description below. I hope you guys have a lovely day and I will see you in the next Procreate tutorial.